Unboxing the joy of English, understanding idioms. Hello, and welcome to today's English learning session. In this video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, unbox the joy. This is an interesting phrase that can add a touch of creativity and excitement to your English conversations. So, let's dive in and unbox the secrets of this engaging expression. Unbox the joy is a phrase that combines two words, unbox and joy. To unbox typically refers to opening a box or a package to reveal what's inside. It's often associated with excitement and discovery, like when you open a gift. Joy, on the other hand, is a feeling of great happiness or pleasure. When we put these words together, unbox the joy metaphorically means to reveal, discover, or experience happiness or pleasure, often in a new or unexpected way. This phrase can be used in various contexts. For example, in personal experiences, when I finally took a break and went on a holiday, it was like I could unbox the joy that I hadn't felt in months. In marketing or advertising, a new product might be advertised with the slogan, "Unbox the joy with our latest smartphone." In motivational contexts, a speaker might say, "Every new day is an opportunity to unbox the joy in your life." Understanding similar expressions can help deepen your comprehension of unbox the joy. Some related phrases include, find your bliss. This means to discover what makes you deeply happy. Uncover happiness, similar to unbox the joy. It's about finding joy, often in unexpected places. And that wraps up our session on the phrase, unbox the joy. We hope you found this video enlightening and that it adds a spark of joy to your English language journey. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary, but also about embracing the creativity and expressiveness of phrases like this one. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.